A 48-hour curfew has been imposed on the Marchpen community in St. Catherine. The curfew commenced at 6 p.m. on Friday and will remain in effect until 6 p.m. on Sunday.
The measure forms part of heightened security operations in the area, following the killing of 35-year-old Roshane Beckford, a physical education teacher at the Ascot High School in St. Catherine. Mr. Beckford was shot and killed in the Marchpen community on Friday. Reports are that he went to a section of the community after being told that someone needed his assistance elsewhere in the area. He was reportedly attacked by armed men who opened fire, hitting him. He was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead upon arrival. Police say while investigations are ongoing, the incident is believed to be linked to ongoing tension between residents in sections of the Marchpen community. Following the killing, the authorities moved quickly to impose a 48-hour curfew in parts of Marchpen in an effort to restore law and order. The affected areas include Salt Island Road, the Spanish Town Bypass, and Salt Pond. Residents within the restricted zones are urged to comply with the curfew as security forces maintain operations throughout the period. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.